Hello lovelies, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, I'm simply going to show you how to make tiger nut milk. Tiger nut milk is a very healthy, refreshing drink. For you, it is highly rich in vitamins and minerals, high in fiber, and it contains natural or occurring sugar. You can choose to drink tiger nut milk after your sports activities or just drink it at any time you want. I figured out there are different ways to enjoy tiger nuts. You can make flour out of it. You can snack on the nuts just the way they are. They are very nutritious and they are really sweet. So in this video, I'm simply going to show you how I make tiger nut milk. Keep watching. So basically, there are two types of tiger nut. There's a dried version and there's a wet version. So I'll be working with the fresh tiger nut. What I'm going to do is to measure 3 cups of tiger nut. You can use as much as you want. I'm going to bring this into the blender. I'll just add in cold water into it. You can add some chilled water if you want. I'm just going to switch on my blender to blend this. I'm going to still add water so that the ones at the top will have the chance to blend as well. Just be sure not to add too much water to this, otherwise you reduce the sweetness of this nut milk. When you're done blending this, take this off. To say this, if you are working with the dried tiger nut, you can soak it for 2 days so that it will have the chance to absorb water and become soft. In this case, it will not take time to blend when you are blending, so it's best you soak it. But because I'm using the fresh tiger nut, I didn't have to soak it. I just go straight to the point and blend it. Right away, we are going to strain the tiger nut milk. I have 2 strainers here. This particular one, the holes are not really tiny. This is very tiny, so I will start with this. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use that, or a clean scarf. So I'm going to pour the milk into this strainer. Just going to use a spoon to press out the milk. You can use your hand, or it's best to use cheesecloth. It will be easier. Okay, so you can pour this back into the blender, add water and blend this a second time if you wish, but I'm just okay with this. So I'm simply going to discard this, then strain this the second time. So now here is your tiger nut. You can serve this chill. You can choose to add some sweetener if you wish, or just drink it naturally like this. You can use the chaff for tiger nut flour. Thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know what you think about tiger nut milk. Subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, like my video, and also share this with your friends. Until next time.